Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So for Ethereum, we have had a bit of a breakdown here, nothing substantial, but we broke briefly this Elliott Wave triangle to the downside. Again, it's not a substantial breakout, but due to the wick here, we have to move the wave D across. So if we still want to see this as a triangle, then this here has to be the C wave, yeah? And then we are probably now on our way to the wave D. So this was delayed. Yeah, in the previous video I said we could have already had the wave C in. Another break below the C wave low wouldn't be good. I can still at the moment count this as a triangle because this wave A and the wave C are basically on the same high, same low. But I think the fact that we came down basically to the same price level with wave C as wave A makes it actually more likely that this is not a triangle, but in fact that this is just a simple ABC. Yeah, so we still have to have the triangle scenario on the radar, and if we want to keep it alive, we have to move the wave C across and have to assume we're now in the D wave to the upside. I mean, we currently just now see, let's say, a fairly strong reversal to the upside. What would need to happen? We would now need to push to the upside in wave D, stay below the 1665 level to make the triangle scenario valid. Yeah, but in the end, both of them, just a simple ABC and the ABCDE, it would just take a bit longer, are pointing to the upside. Yeah, it would be both are a breakout scenario. If we have a simple ABC, this could be finished. Yes, we could drop a bit lower, but what we need to do to keep this scenario alive, that we are generally still in a wave 4 and that we will see one more move to the upside here in a fifth wave for Ethereum. What we need to see is that the wave 4 holds the $1,600 level. This is so important, yeah, because the this is the 50% Fibonacci level, the retracement, yeah. And again, if we go below this level, this would not be good for the wave 4. So we still have a bit of space to move to the downside. It would then not be in a triangle pattern, but just in a, let's say, traditional ABC. Now, if this is not a triangle, and to be honest, I just take it out now, not because it's not valid or possible, but just because it might confuse. So at the moment we can go with the ABC, and we have come down quite a lot, so I don't see it's that likely anymore with a triangle. But still, the chance is still we push here to the upside afterwards in the wave 5. Yeah, targeting around $1,740 to $1,800. This kind of triangle pattern that I put on the chart actually can now be moved into, well, possibly a little bit of a channel pattern. So it looks a bit like a bull flag here in which we are. So I like the look of it. It could indicate that we will go higher because this move down looks fairly corrective, okay? And we have 3 touch points here with this trend line, and I think an early warning that a C wave is over and the wave 4 consequently is over would be a break of the trend line. If that happened now, it would be a move above 1630 roughly, yeah, maybe a little bit higher, 1633. That would indicate that this sort of bull flag that you can look at, yeah, you could look at it like a bull flag, that this is actually breaking to the upside. The first target of such a broken flag is always the beginning of the flag or the top, which is here at 1674, but based on Fibonacci extensions and the Elliott wave count, it would probably take us to around, yeah, $1740 to $1,800. Condition is that we are holding the $1,600 level. If we lose the $1,600 level and possibly even break to the downside of the wedge, then this would be rather bearish. Then we could count this as an ABC, and will probably come down once more into this region here, which has been the deeper support area, the stronger support area, the reversal area originally, out of which we have reversed as well. But there's no guarantee, you know, that we could obviously go down into it again, and then we have another chance to rally from here in a fifth wave. However, we must not drop below 1460 then. And if we do it, if we drop below 1460, then we are going to get into this other scenario. Basically, we're morphing into the other scenario where we've already made a substantial peak and top here. And we are actually coming down in a wave 2 correction already. This is the larger area where I will re-enter, yeah, or enter or build my position further. Because this is sort of, again, the next long-term accumulation area for me, at the moment located between roughly 1460 to 1300, but I will specify that further and make that area smaller as soon as we know that we are really in wave 2. And yeah, but it's getting interesting. and things are getting tough for Ethereum here, but I'm still, I still would like to see at least one more leg up here to get a clearer top in place for the wave 1. Okay, just a quick update about Ethereum. Not too much happened, but at the moment we start to see some volatility coming in, and also we want to prepare for the weekly candle close. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.